I want to talk about my Cuisinart 16-inch roaster pan. This is a new purchase. We got this because at Thanksgiving we like to have a rather large size bird, and we ran into a problem last year that the pan we had didn't accommodate the size of the bird that we had. After doing a little research online and poking around, we found this option and decided to go with it. It's a Cuisinart, so the brand name is reputable. That was one thing that led us to make this purchase. And additionally, really like the look of it. Stainless steel, it's got a very clean look, which we enjoy. Just recently took it for its maiden voyage. You can see that is a 25-pound turkey, and you can see how that fits, and kind of in relation to what size of bird you might want to cook. And we got great results with it. The turkey came out great, and very pleased with the performance of the roasting pan. Cleanup was easy. It's very sturdy, and I think I made a good purchase. If you're looking for a great roasting pan, click on the link in the description below.